ISPH, it's lovely to see you all. I am video recording this from ISPKL, your sister school, where we are currently working on our primary production of The Little Mermaid, which is going to be brilliant. I hope you're well. Mr. James Lotter has told me that this week is Mental Health Awareness Week at ISPH, which I am thrilled to hear. As you know, at ISPH, we really value and prioritise our students, staff and parents' mental health and well-being. And I know that we just recently received our award for the Wellbeing Award, which is fantastic. So I'm thrilled to hear that we are celebrating and encouraging you taking control of your mental health and well-being this week at school. As a community at ISPH, we try to remove the stigma of talking about our mental health because there should be no stigma. We should always talk to our friends, to our teachers, to the people we trust about how we are feeling and take control over those feelings and emotions. So, I have heard that on Friday you have an afternoon dedicated to you exploring and finding things that might work for you to support and encourage your well-being and mental health. For me, it's waking up early in the morning, it's doing some exercise with my best friends, and then it is doing a little bit of journaling, which is something that I've discovered really helps me to set my day up right in the last few months. So I hope you enjoy your afternoon on Friday. Mr. James again has told me that there's many exciting things for you to choose, such as basketball shooting, aqua games, yoga, reading to relax, art therapy, laughter therapy. I'd love to try that one. So really enjoy your afternoon on Friday, ISPH, and once again, really looking forward to seeing you in August. Take care.